Hi guys, welcome back to the web. I know what you guys are thinking. Look at the title of the video and be like, well, this isn't tech, it's just a vacuum. Well, it's technically tech because they put in a lot of effort in the technology of their vacuum. And here I am. It sounds weird talking about a vacuum. But guys, welcome. Please like and subscribe and hear me out. Hear what Dyson has to say about their new vacuum. Hear me out. So this comes from cnet.com, and the title says Dyson's new cordless vacuum is a serious cleaning dream come true. Now, this is not for everybody. Clearly, this is for persons who like to clean, or maybe a company who that does cleaning, basically. All right, so let's dive into it. The Dyson V15 Detect Vacuum shines a laser to reveal hidden dirt and dust as you clean. Dyson's latest stick vac is wild new spin on its flagship model. Announced on March 24, 2021, the $700 Dyson V15 Detect comes with a typical steep price tag. For that price, you get what Dyson claims is a first for a cordless vacuum: a laser emitter that illuminates dust particles on the floor. Dyson claims this green light highlights grime directly in front of the V15's fluffy cleaner head. The company says it has situated the laser at the precise angle that allows you to see otherwise hidden dirt with the naked eye. Once you run the vacuum over a particular area, the laser can help you confirm whether whether you've left any dirt behind. Dyson says the V15 Detect is also geared towards soothing the clean obsessed by keeping a tally of the dirt it captures in real time. A tally? Really? Really, Dyson? So the collected dust particles will be calculated? Alright, let's see. The machine uses a piezoelectric sensor that helps it log the amount and size of the dirt it picks up. An LCD on the back of the dust bin displays a breakdown by particle size, breaking them out into brackets of greater than 10 microns, greater than 60 microns, greater than 180 microns, and greater than 500 microns. Now this is impressive for some cleaning and some cleaning expert. I know what you guys are thinking. You know, there's got to be some germaphobes out there. Well, I used to be one of them. So yeah, why not? If you have the tech, the time, why not do it? So it goes back to Dyson. Honestly, Dyson, really. So Dyson vacuums large and small. Two other Dyson cordless vacuums made their debut today. The first is the $799 Dyson Outsize that the company says has a 150% larger dustbin than previous cordless vacs. It also uses a cleaning head that's 25% wider than the V15. The Outsize is based on the previous Dyson vacuum cleaner. The new $400 Dyson Omni-Glide is targeted at urban apartment dwellers. This model has a slimmer, lighter design that comes with a new omnidirectional fluffy cleaner head that's built for squeezing into tight spaces and corners. All three vacuums are available starting today and are sold directly through the Dyson website. So this was published on March 24, 21. Seriously guys, like, I know about tech, but yeah, this is on a whole nother level of cleanliness. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I kept it short and spicy.